This is the other side of Burj Khalifa fountain show. Hey everyone, today we are in the Burj Park and you can see this is Burj Khalifa over here, and we always come from the Dubai Mall, but only this time we have come from this side. So I hope you will enjoy this vlog. Stay tuned.
So we wanted to go to Burj Park, but by mistake we have reached to the Burj Khalifa apartment entrance side, and look at this, how beautiful it is.
Mama, what was the point of that? You literally just
सी से बुर्ज खलीफा के अपार्टमेंट की साइड आ गए थे. अब हम बाहर निकल रहे हैं, तो अगर आपका अपार्टमेंट बुर्ज खलीफा में है तो जब आप बाहर निकलोगे तो यू विल सी दिस व्यू. वाओ.
I wish we lived in Burj Khalifa.
Yeah, everybody wished like this.
I've never been so close to Burj Khalifa. I live in the beautiful.
बुर्ज खलीफा पड़ गया.
ठीक है ना, कोई नहीं इसमें आ गया. So हम बुर्ज खलीफा के अपार्टमेंट में मतलब बिल्डिंग में घुसने वाले थे, मतलब बुर्ज खलीफा के बिल्कुल. एक्चुअली हमें जाना था बुर्ज पार्क में,
लेकिन हम बुर्ज खलीफा के एंटर करें.
Today we have reached Burj Park. See, already the fountain show started. You will see from other side का. अगर हम ये रहा बुर्ज खलीफा दिख रहा है, उधर आते तो उस साइड से स्टार्ट होता. This is our first time coming this side, the opposite side from Burj Park. Gia! Gia! So we have reached
Look at Burj Khalifa.
Burj Khalifa Park. Oh my god. Already the show started, as you can see from here. Wow. This is the view you get from Burj Park. We didn't know about this. We always go to Burj Khalifa.
You are careful, you can fall.
We always go to Burj Khalifa from Dubai Mall, but today we have come to this Burj Park to explore how it looks like from here. Gia! Gia! You can see the beautiful view which you get from here. Wow, it's very nice actually. It's better than, it's better than, yeah, we'll go. It's better than, you know, that side.
Yeah.
Yeah?
That's why it's so.
Gia, see where we have come. Wow, this view is awesome. और इतने पास से बुर्ज खलीफा देखने का मौका यहीं से मिलेगा. So this is the world longest building. You can see from here. I think you can, if you really want to visit this park, you should come early, so you will get a nice view. But still, you can just walk and explore from here. Wow. Tia! Tia! Oh. Oi. Pick your purse. Wow. Pick your purse. I took. Wow. Wow. This is so cool.
Back when I see grass.
Yeah. अच्छी घास. जिया पापा अच्छी घास उगा रखी इनने, है ना? वाह.
मम्मी आप इसको पकड़ो.
दे. तू लाती क्यों है फिर ये सामान? इसको देखो मज़ा आ रहा है इसमें. अरे हम जिया को भी ग्रास टच करा सकते हैं डिया पापा पहली बार. रखना इसको नीचे. So Jia is going to touch the grass.
I know.
First time. Yes. She's so excited. Jia इसको बैंड लगाना बेटा. Wait. So today I'm going to show you the light show from Burj Park. Show you the panoramic view of this park. Wow. Ooh. Must visit place, guys. Burj Park. So this is Burj Khalifa. A very nice place, guys, literally. You can come here and explore. See this. So you can see how near we are, dear Papa. You see, I will zoom, you can even see the apartment. So this is a canal view from here. It's going to start again. How cool it is looking to you, Papa. So, I'm going to take this shot here. It's looking so nice with the moon with the flag. You see how beautiful it is looking?
So pretty.
Tia, please come with me. So these are dandelion structures. You can see from here. Here from this side. It's a happening place, but you have to pay for the parking. 1 hour 50 dirham. Tia, Tia and Gia. I'm so confused between you two. Tia, come here. You just stand on it. Come here. But there is a line need to go up. So it's a spot over there. You can see the beauty of Burj Khalifa. Tia, can you please come here? Wow. So many people are just waiting for the show. So I'm not taking the video and not showing them. From the top only I'm taking. So this is the view from this Burj Park. It's awesome. It's the other side of the Burj Khalifa. This is the view, panoramic view of this place. This is the other side of Burj Khalifa fountain show from Burj Park. Wow. So nice. So nice. This is the other side of this fountain show from Burj Park. Woo! Wow. So bye bye everybody. Hope you like this short vlog. It's very hot
Stay
and we all are sweating like anything. Humidity is more.
for part 3 when we go swimming.
So stay tuned with us and it's very very hot.
Part 3.
Never try to come, during the summer time
3 coming
especially.
up.
Its humidity is very much and
I'm literally
sweating like-
I did not bring
are
an extra
sweating like
hair, but
anything.
I'm nothing.
so see you in the
But
next
now
vlog.
we're gonna
Bye
go to Dubai Mall. So bye.
We'll see you. Bye
See you
bye.
for part 3 when we go swimming.